Now in this question we have to prove that sin 50 minus sin 70 plus sin 10 is equal to 0. Let us take LHS. Sin 50 minus sin 70 plus sin 10 degrees. Now apply sin C minus sin D formula for this. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, 50 minus 70 by 2 plus sin 10. Now we applied the formula sin C minus sin D, that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Now accordingly it is 2 cos 120 by 2 means 60 degrees into 50 minus 70 minus 20 by 2, that is minus 10, sin minus 10 degrees plus sin 10 degrees. But we know that sin minus theta is minus sin theta, so this the whole term will become negative. Minus 2 into cos 60 value 1 by 2 into sin 10 plus sin 10. So that you can cancel this 2, minus sin 10 plus sin 10, they are cancelled, so it is 0 is equal to RHS. Now here we have to prove that tan 160 minus tan 110 by 1 plus tan 160 tan 120 is equal to 1 minus lambda square by 2 lambda, where tan 20 is equal to lambda. Now let us convert all the 4 terms to 20 degrees. That is, I will write 160 as 180 minus 60 minus tan 90 plus 20. Sorry, this is 180 minus 20 and this is 90 plus 20 by 1 plus tan 180 minus 20 into tan 90 plus 20. Now we know that tan 180 minus theta, that is in second quadrant, minus tan 20. This is tan 90 plus theta in second quadrant, that is minus cot theta. So tan 90 plus theta is minus cot theta. So minus into minus plus cot theta. So cot 20 by 1 plus, again tan 180 minus 20 is minus tan 20. This is minus cot 20. So that is equal to, you write cot 20 first minus tan 20 by minus into minus plus tan 20 into cot 20. But tan 20 into cot 20 is 1 because they are reciprocal to each other. So cot 20 value, because tan 20 is lambda, you can write cot 20 as 1 by lambda minus lambda by 1 plus 1, because this tan 20 plus cot 20 is 1. So take LCM, you will get 1 minus lambda square, lambda will come to the denominator, 1 plus 1 is 2 lambda, that is equal to RHS. Now take LHS here. Here we have to prove that sin square 42 minus cos square 78 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Take LHS. Sin square 42 minus cos square 78. That is, you can convert cos 78 to sin terms. What is that one? It is sin square 42 minus cos, this can be written as 90 minus 12 degrees square, because cos square it is. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, that is sin square 12. Sin square 42 minus sin square 12 degrees. Now it is in the form of sin square a minus sin square b. So that is equal to sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So this is sin 42 plus 12 into sin A minus B. 42 minus 12, because sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin A plus B into sin A minus B. So accordingly it is 42 plus 12 is 56, sin 56 degrees into sin 30 degrees. 42 minus 12 is 30, but you can write sin 56 in cosine, that is sin, this is 90 minus 34 into 1 by 2, sin 30 value 1 by 2. This is cos 34, cos 30, this is 54, sorry, 54 means this is 36, this is cos 36 into 1 by 2. So cos 36 value, we know that root 5 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to RHS. Here we have to prove that tan A plus cot A is 2 cosec 2A. So let us take LHS. Tan A plus cot A. You can write tan A sin A by cos A. And this one is cos A by sin A. So let us take LCM. Sin A cos A is the LCM. Sin A into sin A, sin square A plus cos A into cos A, cos square A. But sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 by sin A cos A. But if 2 is there here, 2 sin A cos A will become sin 2A. So for that purpose, multiply the numerator and denominator with 2. That is 2 by 2 sin A cos A. Now 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. 2 by sin 2A. This is 2 into 1 by sin 2A. 1 by sin 2A is cosec 2A. 2 into cosec 2A, which is equal to RHS. Now in this problem, we have to prove that 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 by cos 10 is equal to 4. Let us take the left hand side. LHS is equal to 1 by sin 10 degrees minus root 3 by cos 10 degrees. LCM, sin 10 into cos 10. Have to take 1 into cos 10 minus root 3 into sin 10. Here, to get some sin A cos B minus cos A sin B type in the numerator, this is 1 into cos 10 actually. What is root of A square plus B square? A is 1 and B is minus root 3. Root of A square plus B square is 1 plus 3 under root, means under root 4, that is 2. Multiply and divide with 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 into cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 into sin 10 by sin 10 degrees into cos 10 degrees. In numerator only we multiplied and divided with 2. Now for this 1 by 2 I will write cos 60 into, or else you can write sin 30 also. Let us write sin 30. Sin 30 cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 can be written as cos 30. Cos 30 sin 10 degrees by, if 2 sin 10 cos 10 is there, you can write it as sin 2 into 10. So I will multiply and divide with again sin 10 into cos 10 into 2 in the numerator, so that this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Now this is equal to 2 into 2, 4 into sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin A minus B, sin 30 degrees minus 10 degrees by this is 2 sin A cos A, that is sin 2A, sin 2A, A is 10 degrees. Now this is 4 into, this is sin 20, numerator is sin 20, denominator is also sin 20, 2 into 10, sin 20. So these two are cancelled, is equal to 4, that is equal to RHS. Now in this one, we have to prove that root 3 into cosec 20 minus secant 20 is equal to 4. Same as previous sum. Let us take LHS, root 3 cosec 20 degrees minus secant 20 degrees. So write cosec 20 as 1 by sin 20, that is root 3 by sin 20. You can write secant 20 as 1 by cos 20. Now take LCM, sin 20 cos 20 is LCM. Root 3 into cos 20 minus 1 into sin 20. To get some sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, here A is root 3 and B is 1. So root of A square plus B square is 2. Multiply and divide with 2 in the numerator. So 2 into root 3 by 2 cos 20 minus 1 by 2 sin 20. By here also multiply and divide with 2. 2 into sin 20 cos 20 into 2 I will write additional 2, so that this 2 and that 2 will be cancelled. Now you can write root 3 by 2 as sin 60. 2 into sin 60 cos 20. Half is cos 60. Cos 60 sin 20. I will write this 2 into 2 as 4 here by, now this is 2 sin A cos A, sin 2A, sin 2A, A is 20. Now this is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin A minus B, that is equal to 4 into sin 60 minus 20 by sin 40. So this is 4 into sin 40, 60 minus 20 is 40 by sin 40. So that you can cancel these two, so equal to 4, that is RHS. Prove that cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cot 2A. Let us take LHS. Cot A minus tan A. Let us express both the terms in sin cos terms. Cot A is cos A by sin A and tan A is sin A by cos A. After that you have to take LCM. Sin A into cos A is LCM. Now cos A into cos A, how to write? Cos square A. Sin A into sin A, sin square A. Now we know that cos square A minus sin square A is the formula for cos 2A. So if 2 sin A cos A is there in the denominator, you will get sin 2A. So let us multiply the numerator and denominator with 2. 2 into cos square A minus sin square A by 2 sin A cos A. So this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled, that is equal to the previous one. Now this is cos 2A, 2 into cos 2A, this is sin 2A. Cos 2A by sin 2A is cot 2A. So 2 into cot 2A, that is equal to RHS. Now in this sum you have to prove that 1 plus cos pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10 is equal to 1 by 16. Now I took LHS first. Let us change the last two terms first. That is 1 plus cos pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10. 1 plus, I will write 7 pi by 10 as cos pi minus 3 pi by 10. This is 10 pi minus 3 pi, 7 pi by 10 into the last one is 1 plus cos pi minus pi by 10. Have to get these two terms there in the last two brackets. 10 pi minus pi, that is 9 pi by 10. Now it is in the form of cos 180 minus theta. This is also in the same form, cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta because it is in second quadrant. So it is 1 plus cos pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10. Now this will become 1 minus cos 3 pi by 10 and this will become 1 minus cos pi by 10. Because cos 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. In these last two, we used that formula. Now, this is equal to 1 plus cos pi by 10 into 1 minus cos pi by 10. The last bracket, I wrote it here, and 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10 into 1 minus cos 3 pi by 10 in this one and this one. Now a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 1 minus cos square pi by 10 into this one is also 1 minus cos square 3 pi by 10. But 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So this is sin square pi by 10 into sin square 3 pi by 10. Pi by 10 value 180 by 10, that is 18 degrees, and this is 3 into 18, 54 degrees, that is sin square 18 degrees into sin square 54 degrees, 3 into 18. Now sin square 54 can be written as cos square 36 because sin 54 is sin 90 minus 36 cos 36. So that is equal to sin square 18 degrees into cos square 36 degrees because sin 54 equal to sin 90 minus 36 equal to cos 36. So it is sin square 18, that is sin 18 into cos 36 whole square. So that is sin 18 value root 5 plus 1 by 4 into root 5 minus 1 by 4, that is cos 36 value. Now a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 5 minus 1 by 4 into 4, 16 whole square. 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 by 16 whole square, 4 by 16 is 1 by 4 whole square, finally it is 1 by 16 which is equal to RHS. Now say this question, we have to prove that cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A into cos 8A is equal to sin 16A by 16 sin A. Now first to take LHS, because it appears by 16 sin A, you multiply and divide with 16 sin A. So this is 1 by 16 sin A, here also you write 16 sin A into cos A cos 2a into cos 4a into cos 8a. You write this is 2 sin a into 8. You bring 2 sin a inside. So 8 into 2 sin a cos a. 8 into 2 is 16 only. Sin a has become this one, and into cos 2a into cos 4a into cos 8a by 16 sin a. So that is 8 by 16 sin a into, what is 2 sin a cos a? Sin 2a. Sin 2a into cos 2a into cos 4a into cos 8a. You bring one more 2 inside, that is 4 by 16 sin a into 2 sin 2a cos 2a into cos 4a into cos 8a. Now it is in the form of 2 sin a cos a, so sin 2a, but this is 2a. 2 sin 2a cos 2a is sin 2 into 2a, that is sin 4a. 4 by 16 sin a into sin 4a into cos 4a into cos 8a. Now bring one more 2 inside, that is equal to 2 into 2 sin 4a cos 4a into cos 8a by 16 sin 2a, 16 sin a. Now again it is in the form of 2 sin a cos a, but a is 4a here, so sin 2a, sin 2 into 4a, that is 2 into sin 8a into cos 8a by 16 sin a. Now again it is in the form of 2 sin a cos a, means sin 2a, that is sin 2 into 8a, sin 2 into 8a by 16 sin a, which is equal to sin 16a by 16 into sin a, that is equal to RHS. Now here, given that tan theta is equal to b by a, we have to prove that a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta is equal to a. Now let us take LHS. We can express cos 2 theta as well as sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta like this. A into, this is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus b into sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, that is sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta. Because tan theta is given as b by a, you can substitute that in these two. So that is a into 1 minus b square by a square, because tan theta is b by a, by 1 plus b square by a square plus b into, this is 2 into b by a, 1 plus b square by a square. Let us take LCM. A into a square is LCM, you will get a square minus b square by, here also a square is LCM, a square plus b square by plus b into 2b by a by, here also a square is LCM, a square plus b square. Now you can cancel a square, but here this is equal to a into a square minus b square by a square plus b square. This goes to the, this is 2b square by a, 2b square by a into, reverse this one, a square by a square plus b square, so that you can cancel one a here. So only 2b square a is there in the numerator. LCM is a square plus b square. A into a square minus b square plus 2b square a or 2ab square by LCM is a square plus b square. Now multiply this with a into a square a cube minus ab square plus 2ab square by a square plus b square. But here plus 2ab square minus ab square, that is plus ab square. A cube plus ab square by a square plus b square. Now you can take a common in the numerator, a into a square plus b square by a square plus b square, so that you can cancel these two. Remaining thing is a, that is nothing but RHS. Now see this question. You have to prove that 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. So let us take LHS. Let us change the last 3 terms. Let us write this 3 pi by 8 as 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Verify. Take LCM, 8 is LCM, 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 8. And this one is 1 plus cos pi by 2 plus pi by 8. 4 pi plus pi, 5 pi by 8. And the last one, 1 plus cos pi minus pi by 8 you have to write. 8 pi minus pi, 7 pi by 8. Now, this is 1 plus cos pi by 8 into cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So 1 plus sin pi by 8. This is 1 plus cos pi by 1 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 8. Cos 90 plus theta minus sin theta. So 1 minus sin pi by 8. The last one is cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos pi by 8. So let us take the first and last brackets in one bracket into 1 minus cos pi by 8 and these two in other bracket, 1 plus sin pi by 8 into 1 minus sin pi by 8. Now both the brackets are in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So the product of these two is 1 minus cos square pi by 8 and the product of the last two is 1 minus sin square pi by 8. But 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So this is sin square pi by 8 and this is 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. So cos square pi by 8. Now you can write this as 1 by 4 into 2 sin pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square. 2 square will become 4 and 4 are cancelled and the remaining thing is equal to this one. Now the bracket is in the form of 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 2a. So this is 1 by 4 into sin 2 into pi by 8 whole square. So you can cancel this 2, so pi by 4. So 1 by 4 into sin 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 8, which is equal to right hand side. Now if a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees, prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is 4 sin a sin b sin c. Now let us take LHS. Let us simplify this bracket first. Apply sin c plus sin d formula. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. That is sin 2a plus 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2b plus 2c by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 2b minus 2c by 2. So 2b plus 2c by 2 means 2 is cancelled, b plus, here also it is cos b minus c. So this is sin 2a plus 2 into sin b plus c into cos b minus c. But sin b plus c is sin 180 minus a, because a plus b plus c is given as 180 degrees. So this is sin 2a plus 2 sin 180 minus a into cos b minus c. Sin 180 minus a is sin a. So you can write sin b plus a as sin a. So you expand this also. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. This is 2 sin a cos a plus this is also sin a, 2 sin a into cos b minus c. Sin 180 minus a is written as sin a, sin 2a is written as 2 sin a cos a. In both the terms 2 into sin a is common. Take the common term. 2 sin a into cos a plus cos b minus c. So you can write cos a as cos 180 minus b plus c. 2 sin a into cos 180 minus of b plus c plus cos b minus c. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So minus 2 sin a into minus cos b plus c plus cos b minus c. Now we know that cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, or cos a plus b minus cos a minus b is equal to minus 2 sin a sin b. So this is cos b minus c minus cos b plus c. If they are in the reverse order, that is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, you will get plus 2 sin a sin b. The same thing is there, cos b minus c minus cos b plus c. So this is 2 sin b sin c. Or else you write directly cos b minus c minus cos b plus c is minus 2 sin a into this is minus 2 sin b sin c. Do one thing, you take minus common from this, minus into minus, plus 2 sin a, this will become plus cos b minus c, b plus c minus cos b minus c. Now if you take minus common, minus 2 sin a into cos b plus c minus cos b minus c. Cos b plus c minus cos b minus c is minus 2 sin b sin c. So this is minus 2 sin a into minus 2 sin b sin c. So minus into minus plus is equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c. That is equal to RHS. Now in this case, again here also it is a plus b plus c is 180. Then we have to prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. Take LHS and apply cos c plus cos d for this. So 2 cos c plus d by 2, that is 2b plus 2c by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2b minus 2c by 2. So this is cos 2a plus 2 cos b plus c into cos b minus c. But b plus c is 180 minus a. 180 minus a, that is minus cos a. So I will write cos 2a as 1 minus 2 sin square A, cos 2A formula, and this is 2 cos 180 minus A. Sorry, you are getting only this one, cos 180 minus A is cos A only, minus cos A only. So you have to write this as 2 cos square A minus 1 into cos B minus C. This is minus cos A. 180 minus A is cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So it is 2 cos square A minus 2 cos 180 minus A is minus cos A. I kept minus here into cos B minus C. Minus 1 is written in the last. So in these two, 2 cos A is common. If you take 2 cos A common, you will get cos A minus cos B minus C minus 1. But cos A is minus of cos B plus C, because A plus B plus C is 180. Cos A is 2 cos A into minus of cos B plus C minus cos B minus C minus 1. So that is equal to now let us take minus common from these two. So it is minus 2 cos A into cos B plus C plus cos B minus C minus 1. So this is cos B plus C plus cos B minus C is nothing but 2 cos B cos C minus 2 cos A into 2 cos B cos C minus 1. So it is minus 4 cos A cos B cos C minus 1, but write minus 1 in the beginning. Minus 1 minus 4 cos A cos B cos C, which is equal to RHS. Now here also A plus B plus C is 180, then how to prove that sin square A by 2 plus sin square B by 2 plus sin square C by 2 is 1 minus 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Now if 1 minus cos 2A is there, you can write it as 2 sin square A, or 1 minus cos A is 2 sin square A by 2. For 2 sin square A by 2, you can write 1 minus cos A. So 2 sin square A by 2, 2 sin square B by 2, 2 sin square C by 2 is required. So for that purpose, multiply and divide with 2. 2 sin square A by 2 plus 2 sin square B by 2 plus 2 sin square C by 2. Write 2 sin square A by 2 is 1 minus cos A. This is 1 minus cos B, and the third one is 1 minus cos C. So this is half into, this is 1 minus cos A, second one is 1 minus cos B, third one is 1 minus cos C. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, half into 3 minus cos A plus cos B plus cos C. Let us add the last two. That is equal to half into 3 minus cos A plus cos B plus cos C is 2 cos B plus C by 2 cos B minus C by 2. 2 cos B plus C by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. But here B plus C is there, that is 180 minus A by 2. That is half into 3 minus cos A plus 2 into cos 180 minus A by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. This is 180 by 2 minus A by 2, that is 90 minus A by 2. Cos 90 minus A by 2 is sin A by 2. 3 minus of cos A plus 2 into sin A by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. Because you got sin A by 2 here, you have to write cos A as 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. You bring cos A to the right side and sin square A by 2 to the left side. Cos A is 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. So that is equal to half into 3. I will write cos A as 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Plus 2 sin A by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. Now you remove this bracket, half into 3 minus 1 plus 2 sin square A by 2 minus 2 sin A by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. Now in these two you can take 2 sin A by 2 common, and this is 3 minus 1, 2. Half into 2 plus 2 sin A by 2 common. Still sin A by 2 is there, minus cos B minus C by 2. In these two you can take 2 common and cancel with this 2. 2 by 2, 1 plus sin A by 2. Sin A by 2 can be written as cos B plus C by 2. Here cos B plus 2 has become sin A by 2. So sin A by 2 is cos B plus C by 2. Cos B plus C by 2 minus cos B minus C by 2. So 2 and 2 are cancelled. It is 1 plus sin A by 2 into cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is minus 2 sin A sin B. Here this is minus 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. So this is equal to 1, this into this, minus 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2, that is nothing but RHS. Now in this one, we have to, whenever A plus B plus C is 180, we have to prove that sin square A by 2 plus sin square B by 2 minus sin square C by 2 is 1 minus 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Now let us apply. We know that sin A plus B into sin A minus B is sin square A minus sin square B. That means if we get sin square A minus sin square B, can write it as sin A plus B into sin A minus B. So I will apply that formula for the first one, sin square A by 2 plus sin, here it is not B, B by 2. So you will get B plus C by 2 into sin B minus C by 2. Sin B plus C by 2 is cos A by 2. So convert this also cos A by 2 terms. So it is 1 minus cos square A by 2 plus cos A by 2 into sin B minus C by 2, because sin B plus C by 2 is sin 180 minus A by 2 sin 90 minus A by 2, sin 90 minus theta is cos A by 2. So sin B plus C by 2 can be written as cos A by 2. Now in these two, take minus cos A by 2 common. Still cos A by 2 minus sin B minus C by 2. But according to this one, sin B plus C by 2 is cos A by 2. Now cos A by 2 can be written as sin B plus C by 2. So write this one as sin B plus C by 2 in minus sin B minus C by 2. Now it is in the form of sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. 2 cos A sin B. Here 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. So this is 1 minus cos A by 2 into 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. By which formula? Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is equal to 2 cos A sin B. We used this formula here. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is 2 cos A sin B. Here A is B by 2 and B is C by 2. 2 cos A sin B. So this is equal to 1 minus 2 into cos A by 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. That is equal to RHS. Now here we have to prove that cos square A by 2 plus cos square B by 2 plus cos square C by 2 is 2 into 1 plus sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Now let us change the left hand side like this. Cos square B by 2, I will write 1 minus sin square C by 2. Last term is written as 1 minus cos square C by 2. So you can write 1 in the beginning, 1 plus cos square A by 2 plus cos square B by 2 minus sin square C by 2. Now what is cos A plus B into cos A minus B? Equal to cos square A minus sin square B. If by 2 is there, on the right side also you will get by 2. So cos square A by B by 2 minus sin square C by 2. I have to apply that formula. This is cos square B minus sin square C. Cos B plus C into cos B minus C. But 2 is there by. So this is cos B plus C by 2 into cos B minus C by 2 according to that formula. But you know that cos B plus C by 2 is sin A by 2 because B plus C is 180 minus A by 2. 180 by 2 minus A by 2, 90 minus A by 2. So we are getting sin A by 2 here. So I will change cos square A by 2 as 1 minus sin square A by 2 plus this is sin A by 2 into cos B minus C by 2 because cos B plus C by 2 is equal to cos 180 minus A by 2, 180 by 2 minus A by 2, 90 minus A by 2 equal to sin A by 2. So cos B plus C by 2 is sin A by 2. So this is 1 plus 1, that is 2 minus, I will take minus sin A by 2 common from these two. Still sin A by 2 is there. Because minus is taken as common term, you will get minus cos B minus C by 2. Now by the same formula, sin A by 2 can be written as sin B plus C by 2. So write this sin A by 2 as sin B plus C by 2, cos B plus C by 2 minus cos B minus C by 2. Now we know that cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. So this is minus 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. 2 minus sin A by 2 into minus 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. So minus into minus plus, that is equal to 2 plus 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. So that you can take 2 common, 2 into 1 plus sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. That is equal to RHS. Now in this one, if A plus B plus C is 180, we have to prove that cos A plus cos B minus cos C is equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. Now take LHS like this. and apply cos C minus cos D formula for this. Cos A plus cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. Put minus sign here. Minus 2 sin B plus C by 2 into sin B minus C by 2. So you can write B plus C as 180 minus A cos A minus 2 sin 180 minus A by 2 into sin B minus C by 2. This is 180 by 2 minus A by 2, 90 minus A by 2. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this term will become cos A by 2. So we have to write cos A as 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1 minus 2. This is cos A by 2 into sin B minus T by 2. Now you write minus 1 in the beginning, minus 1, 2 cos square A by 2 and cos A by 2. Take 2 cos A by 2 common. Still cos A by 2 is here, minus sin B minus C by 2. Sin B plus C by 2 is converted as cos A by 2. Now convert cos A by 2 as sin B plus C by 2 here. So this is minus 1 into 2 cos A by 2. This is sin B plus C by 2 minus sin B minus C by 2. Now this is in the form of sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. That is 2 cos A sin B. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is equal to 2 cos A sin B. Use this formula here. Instead of B plus C, B by 2 plus C by 2 is there. So that is minus 1 plus 2 cos A by 2 into 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. So that is equal to RHS. Now see here, A plus B plus C is 2s, not 180 here. We have to prove that sin S minus A plus sin S minus B plus sin C is equal to 4 cos S minus A by 2 cos S minus B by 2 into sin C by 2. Now let us take LHS with a bracket for the first 2 terms. Apply sin C plus sin D for this. Formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. This is 2 sin C plus D S minus A plus S minus B by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. S minus A minus D means minus S plus B by 2 plus sin C, this term. Here S is cancelled. Now in this one, 2 into sin S plus S, 2s minus A minus B by 2 into cos B minus A by 2 plus sin C. Now 2s is A plus B plus C minus A minus B. So A and B are cancelled, still C is there. 2 sin C by 2 into cos B minus A by 2. Because we have got sin C by 2 here, let us write sin C as 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Now 2 sin C by 2 is common. 2 sin C by 2. Here cos B minus A by 2 plus cos C by 2. Now apply cos C plus cos D formula for this. 2 sin C by 2 cos C plus D by 2 B minus A by 2 plus C by 2 by 2 cos 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos c minus d by 2, that is b minus a by 2 minus c by 2 whole by 2 also. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So this is 2 into 2 4 sin c by 2 into, bracket is not necessary, this is b minus a plus c or b plus c minus a, sorry, into cos is also there, cos of b plus c minus a by 2 by 2 means by 4 into cos b minus a minus c, that is b minus a plus c, can write by 2 means by 4, but b plus c is 2s minus a plus b plus c is 2s minus a, that is equal to 4 sin c by 2 into cos b plus c is 2s minus a by 4 into cos a plus c is b minus 2s minus b by 4. Here 2s minus 2a by 4, 4 into sin c by 2 into cos 2s minus 2a by 4 means cancel 2, s minus a by 2. Here 2b minus 2s, cos 2 into b minus s by 4, again cancel 2, so you will get b minus s by 2, but you can change it as s minus b also, cos a minus b is same as cos b minus a. So you write these two terms first, 4 into cos s minus a by 2 into cos, I am writing b minus s as s minus b, it is because it is cos function, s minus b by 2 into sin c by 2. So that is equal to RHS, that is equal to right hand side. Now here also a plus b plus c is 2s, so I have to prove that cos s minus a plus cos s minus b plus cos c is minus 1 plus 4 cos s minus a by 2 into cos s minus b by 2 into cos c by 2. Now take LHS like this, apply the formula cos c plus cos d for the first two terms, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 s minus a plus s minus b by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 s minus a minus d means minus s plus b by 2 plus cos c. So here s is cancelled, here you are getting 2s, s plus s, 2s is a plus b plus c minus a minus b, 2 cos a, s is 2s is a plus b plus c minus a minus b, so only c is there, c by 2 into, you can write it as cos a minus b or minus of a minus b by 2 also plus cos c. Cos minus theta is cos theta only, because you got 2 cos c by 2, we have to write cos c as 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1. So this is 2 cos c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2, because cos minus theta is cos theta only. So this is 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1, this is the value of cos c. You write minus 1 in the beginning, minus 1. In these two terms you take 2 cos c by 2 common, plus 2 cos c by 2, still cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c by 2. Now we have to apply cos c plus cos d formula for this. Minus 1 plus 2 cos c by 2 into cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2, a minus b by 2 plus c by 2 by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, a minus b by 2 minus c by 2 by 2 whole by 2. Now this is minus 1 plus 2 into 2 means 4 cos c by 2 into 2 into 2 4. This is a minus b plus c by 4 you will get, but I will write it as cos a plus c minus b by 4, and this is a minus b minus c, a minus of b plus c by 4, because by 2 is there. Here a plus c is 2s minus b, this is 2s minus b, 4 cos c by 2 into cos 2s minus b by 4. This is also cos a minus 2s minus a by 4. So this is equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos c by 2, 2s minus 2b by 4 means s minus b by 2, cos s minus b by 2 into, this is 2a plus a, 2a minus 2s by 4, that is a minus s by 2, cos a minus s by 2. So this is minus 1. I will write first this one, 4 cos s minus, here cos a minus b is same as b minus a, so we will write cos s minus a by 2 into cos s minus b by 2 into this cos c by 2 in the last place, that is equal to RHS.